Introducing my snap-on toolbox. Snap-on. My meter, made by Blue Point. Let me get some more light. Hold on. Alrighty. My test leads, my ruler, tape measure, feeler gauge, my IAD, school I went to, calculator pen, tire pressure gauge. You know, you already know what all these are. Spark plug, gapper, all that. Just a second real quick. And that's a 2-stroke engine in there. Vernier caliber. Blue Point. Snap-on tools. Hold up, let it focus. Snap-on tools. This right here. My torque wrench. Open it up for you. It's the digital torque wrench. Snap-on. Snap-on's the best in my eyes. I like them. Lifetime warranty. Hold on. Oh, gotta unlock it. Deep wells, impact hammer in the back, different types of sockets, different types of wrenches. Yep, it's a great investment. There's one tool in here right now on this shelf that's not a snap-on. Well, that's that. My Tusk clutch holder. Different types of wrenches, you already know. Needle nose, pliers, wire cutter, pliers, snap ring. You know, removers. Screwdrivers. It's for motorcycles, so you don't need that many screwdrivers, flatheads, all that. This is not a snap-on. This is Husky. Trash. I use it as trash. Big one. Yeah. Nothing in this drawer yet. I'm gonna put probably power tools in here. It's my receipt and stuff. This is just parts of the 2-stroke Wazi 250 engine, you know, gloves and stuff, everything in there. Yep. There's my toolbox. There I am. Yeah, great investment. Snap-on quality is good. If you want a toolbox, Get yourself a Snap-on toolbox. It's worth it. Maybe a little bit pricey, but it's good. Trust me, it's worth it, man. And yeah, got the bumpers on it. On every side, front and back. Comes with 2 keys. One on the keychain. And the other one's in my pocket. Yeah, man. Get yourself a Snap-on. Snap-on's the best.